Dang, bro, where's Jack? He ain't been on YouTube. He ain't. Dang, where is he? Jack, what are you doing?
Alright, as many know, Hellcat Jack, but now let me reintroduce myself. You know what I'm saying? Damn. I thought I parked the Hellcat right here. Lamb chop? Yeah. No Hellcat. What, lamb chop? And it's open? And the key's right here? A key? Oh, and a, oh! Oh, man. Yo, this is crazy.
Oh my God! Wow!
No more Hellcat, but lamb chop? Whoa! All right, y'all, for the ones who didn't catch on, man, as you can see, we in the lamb chop. We done went lamb chop, Hellcat, long gone. You know what I'm saying? We in the lamb chop. Y'all see, man, we got the blue guts, man. Nipsey Blue in here, man, with the lamb chop hat, man. Y'all ain't get the picture, man. This shit crazy. Look, oh, sports mode? That shit went up and it went down. Hold up. Corsa? Oh! That bitch got in a position. Yeah, that bitch not. Hey, man. Fuck the Hellcat. F the Hellcat. Man, you already know. Gotta start the morning off right with some Starbucks. With a matcha. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? With a matcha. Sometimes I get a little blueberry muffin or a blueberry scone. But
I sorry about that. I was making started to do.
can I get a medium iced matcha with oat milk?
Medium iced matcha with oat milk?
Yes.
Alright.
That's it.
Go ahead and pour them.
I'm saying we gotta add oat milk to it because that cow milk, that shit ain't it, y'all. Shit ain't it. They say it make your bones strong, but it make your mind blown. You got that matcha. This shit hitting right now. Should give me energy that I need. You know what I'm saying? Lamb chop. We got the power torque. Right now we only pushing 20 horsepower, 30 horsepower. All right, it look like we got medium traffic up ahead, but we finna hit it on the ass. We got 130. Try to get past these cars real quick. We in Mexico though. All right, you ready? Yeah, you getting over? You already know. Going how fast?
156. I bet.
Come on now. We're going around the curve at 100. You know what I'm saying? Now we gotta disappear. We gotta disappear.
Yeah, you can smell it.
You can smell it. It smells like perfume. Ah! Man, that's what that matcha do to you. Shit, get you in serious mode. What's up, y'all? So we were walking into a property that I am remodeling, and this property is going to go up on Airbnb once I complete it. As you can see, we about almost done remodeling this place. We had a few hiccups along the way. We had some neighbors reporting us to the city because they're haters. We got a lot of haters out here these days, but you know, our haters push us, keep us going, keep us motivated. And the grind don't stop, man. As you can see, put some new floors in here, put new windows in, got new light fixtures. You know what I'm saying? We did all the corduroy and all that shit. You know what I'm saying? Right now we doing the bathroom. The bathroom almost completed. Putting the tiles in, shower. We got a little bedroom right here. You know what I'm saying? We got 3 bedrooms. You know what I'm saying? Nice little rooms, nice little rooms. So I'm already give y'all the layout, man. So we're gonna start right here. So back here we got the laundry room, and then now we got the kitchen right here. We just got the countertops in last night. They came and installed them last night. We got the cabinets, the new light fixture. Then in here we got the living room. This is gonna be the living room. Gonna put a big TV right here on the wall. Little sectional couch. Some paintings in here. I got a painter who's gonna put some paintings in here. And then right here, it's gonna be a little game room. I'm gonna have a couple arcade games in here. So we're gonna line them up right here on the wall. Come in here, play some games. And here we got the pool table. Gonna put the pool table right here. Probably put a little TV on the wall right there. And then yeah, man, we finna get it going. This is gonna be one of the rawest Airbnbs in Jacksonville, man. I'm trying to tell you, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to tell you, man. Just stay tuned, man. Just stay tuned. I'm saying, walking in my boy shit. Crab House 3G, man.
Pulled up in the Lambo.
What's up, boy?
Ooh, he got that Lambo.
What's up, boy?
My boy say, fuck that truck.
You know what I'm saying?
Lambo.
You know how we coming, man. 2024 shit, man.
Boy, he gotta go on the story, my
2024.
Lambo. Dog, this 2024?
Nah, it ain't 2024.
Shit, I don't give a fuck.
Hey, look, like, you know what I'm saying?
Fuck that, it's a Lambo, my boy. My boy Jack pulled up in the Lambo.
Man, y'all see where we at, man. Crab House 3G, man. Got a little Duval shit pulled up next to it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Big Lambo.
My boy D said he was sad too, man. Sit in that motherfucker, man.
Jack said I can sit in it. Jack said sit in it. Big Lambo.
Yeah, man.